I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with your Labor Day Market Minute. Here's a look at what the trade might be responding to when business resumes on Tuesday. Soybeans and corn will continue to keep an eye on finishing weather in the Midwest and Plains. Now, much of the back half of August was cooler and drier in many key U.S. growing areas, and so parts of this year's corn and soybean crops do need some rain, especially in some eastern growing areas. That could surface during the early part of this week, depending on how things move out of the south and into northern and eastern growing areas. And of course, corn and soybeans will also be keeping an eye out for any new trade news. As for wheat, Chicago and Kansas City will continue to respond to rainfall chances in the eastern Midwest and the southern plains ahead of widespread winter wheat planting, while also being mindful of the rising global supply as harvest activity wraps up in Europe and parts of the Black Sea region. As for Minneapolis, it will continue to keep an eye on spring wheat harvest activity in the northern U.S. plains and the Canadian prairies. The USDA's weekly crop progress and condition number is going to be out on Tuesday, September 2nd at 4 o'clock Eastern, 3 o'clock Central, delayed a day by Monday's holiday. As for live and feeder cattle, they will be responding to whatever direct cash cattle business developed at the end of the week, continuing to keep an eye on the New World screwworm issues, including that recent reported human case in the eastern United States. And as for hogs, the big feature there continues to be questions about demand. Domestic demand has been good overall, but a little bit inconsistent as of late. And the lack of pork export demand from China continues to be a sticking point right now for hogs. With your Labor Day Market Minute, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.